Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly mind-bending that's been making waves on Hacker News, a project called QuadRF. Imagine a device that can literally see Wi-Fi signals through your walls and even spot drones you can't perceive with your own eyes. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, it's real, and it's blowing my mind. Stick around, because we're going to explore how QuadRF works, what it can do, and why it's such a massive deal. So, what exactly is QuadRF? At its core, it's a sophisticated system built around software-defined radio, or SDR, principles. Think of it as a super-sensitive ear that listens to the radio frequency spectrum around you. But it's not just listening. It's actively analyzing and interpreting those signals, turning them into a visual representation of your environment. It leverages ambient RF noise, things like your router's Wi-Fi, cellular signals, even TV broadcasts, as a kind of illumination source. Much like a bat uses sound waves, the magic truly happens through what's known as passive radar. Unlike traditional radar, which emits its own signal, QuadRF is entirely passive. It detects subtle changes and reflections in existing RF signals. When a signal bounces off an object, whether it's a person walking in the next room or a drone flying discreetly overhead, those reflections carry information. QuadRF's clever algorithms process these tiny disruptions, building up a detailed map of the RF environment. It's essentially creating a real-time, invisible radar image of your surroundings, all without emitting a single wave itself. This is crucial for stealth and efficiency. One of the most impressive feats of QuadRF is its ability to spot drones. We're not just talking about big, noisy ones. We're talking about small, stealthy drones, even those operating on unexpected frequencies. Because it's passively listening to the RF environment, it can detect the faint electronic chatter these drones emit, or even the way their physical presence alters the ambient RF field. Imagine being able to detect an unauthorized drone before it even becomes visible, giving you precious time to react. This has huge implications for security, privacy, and even airspace management. Now, let's talk about the seeing through walls part, which is just wild. Your Wi-Fi router is constantly beaming out signals. These signals penetrate walls, and when they encounter objects, like furniture, or crucially, a person, they reflect and diffract in unique ways. QuadRF can pick up on these minute changes in the Wi-Fi signal as it passes through and reflects off objects behind a barrier. It's like creating a ghostly thermal image. But instead of heat, it's mapping RF density and movement. You could potentially see someone moving around a room without ever laying eyes on them, just by interpreting the altered Wi-Fi patterns. The potential applications for QuadRF are immense. Beyond security and drone detection, think about search and rescue operations, where traditional line of sight is impossible. Emergency responders could potentially locate individuals trapped behind rubble. In smart homes, it could offer a new level of presence detection without needing cameras. But of course, with great power comes great responsibility. The privacy implications are profound. If a system like this can see through walls, who has access to it? And how do we ensure it's not misused? These are vital questions the tech community and society at large need to grapple with. What makes QuadRF even more exciting is its presence as a top story on Hacker News. This isn't some secretive government project. It's a testament to the open source spirit and the power of dedicated hobbyists and engineers. The project highlights how accessible these advanced technologies are becoming. While it's complex, the underlying principles are becoming more understood, inviting further experimentation and innovation from the DIY community. It's truly inspiring to see what passionate individuals can achieve when pushing the boundaries of What's possible with readily available SDR hardware? What are your thoughts on QuadRF? Is it a game changer or a privacy nightmare? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next one.